symptoms all day and
Why?
Symbicort improves my lung function starting within 15 minutes.
Symbicort will not replace a rescue inhaler for sudden symptoms. It is a combination of 2 medicines and should not be taken more often than prescribed.
Symbicort contains formoterol. Medicines like formoterol increase the risk of death from asthma problems, and children and adolescents may have an increased risk of being hospitalized for asthma problems.
Symbicort is not for people whose asthma is well controlled with a long-term asthma control medicine like inhaled corticosteroids. Once your asthma is well controlled, your doctor will decide if you can stop Symbicort without loss of control and prescribe a long-term asthma control medicine.
Be sure to see your doctor if your asthma does not improve or gets worse.
Symbicort is a good choice to help control my asthma all day and night.
Ask your doctor if Symbicort is a good choice for you.
If you can't afford your medication, you deserve to have all the talk, messaging, data we want at a great price.
And we're proud to offer a plan that delivers it. U.S. Cellular's new $69.99 national plan.